Are you tired of clicking through Gmail menus just to archive an email? Learn how to assign custom keyboard shortcuts in under 3 minutes. First, we'll enable custom shortcuts in Gmail's advanced settings. Then, I'll show you how to assign your own key combinations to any action. First, navigate to the Gmail homepage. Then, open Gmail settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full settings menu. Click on Advanced at the top bar to see advanced features. Locate Custom Keyboard Shortcuts in the list. Go ahead and click Enable to turn on custom shortcuts. Then, click Save Changes at the bottom to apply the setting. Wait a moment for the page to reload with the new setting. Once it's loaded, click the gear icon again at the top right corner. Then click See All Settings once more to return to Settings. Now, click on Keyboard Shortcuts at the top bar to open the Shortcuts page. Find the Gmail action you want to customize, like Archive, Compose, Delete, or Reply. Click the shortcut field next to that action. Type the keyboard shortcut you want to assign, such as Ctrl-Shift-A. Finally, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes to save your custom shortcuts. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.